Grounding is what neutralizes EMF that your body's absorbing from Wi-Fi, 5G, or cell phones. You should be grounding outside. Literally means stand on the ground barefoot, walk in the grass, walk on the shore of the ocean or the lake, put your hands and feet in the dirt. The earth itself neutralizes the frequencies our bodies has absorbed from all of this tech. Radiation comes in all kinds of forms. We have an organic apple pectin powder supplement at the Dr. Ardis Show that has been proven most effective by scientists at Chernobyl, Fukushima in Japan, these nuclear power plant radiation leaks. Everyone who developed cancer from those forms of radiation, scientists only found that 1,400 milligrams of apple pectin was the only thing that was able to chelate and remove that form of radiation that was causing thyroid cancer to explode all over Russia, near Chernobyl, and in Japan at Fukushima.